Hello and welcome back to our DIY series. This week's DIY will be to celebrate the feast day of St. Nicholas, which is December 6th. We're gonna make a St. Nicholas ornament and I'm gonna give you some ideas on how to stuff shoes for the kids. So let's get started. First, you need some felt. It doesn't matter if you have white, red, green, whatever you want to use, whatever you have on hand. I had white, and I went and printed out a picture of St. Nicholas. You can Google it. So you're going to kind of cut around St. Nicholas, and then we're going to put him on the felt just to make him more sturdy. So here we go. We're going to cut it out. Super easy. The kids can work on their cutting skills with this. I know my kids always love to cut stuff. I wasn't a big fan, but they liked it. So I just kind of did an easy outline of St. Nicholas. And then you're going to take your piece of felt and put him on there and draw maybe, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch out from there around him. Cut out your felt. It should look like this. And then we're gonna stick old St. Nicholas on there. So I just used regular old fancy Elmer's glue. Every kid has this. You need it for every school year. Just put this on here, do a good outline. Make sure you put a lot on there because it'll also make it stiff, so it hangs much better. And then we're gonna put St. Nicholas on there, smooth him out. Take the Elmer's glue, you're gonna put like a bead around the outside of him, and we're gonna use glitter. Every kid loves glitter. I hope you guys do too, because you're gonna find it 6 months from now, even though you thought you cleaned it up, but you didn't. Because glitter stays around forever. But my kids love glitter. They love to do crafts like this. So anytime I can spend extra time with my kids, I'm gonna do it. So I just kind of go around the outside of this craft. I'm gonna put him on a plate now because you're gonna use glitter. And to kind of keep it contained, it's best to put it on a piece of paper, paper plate, whatever you got around. Wool. So I'm choosing gold, and then you just kind of sprinkle it all around. Don't be afraid that you're using too much, because you can never use enough glitter. And then we're gonna kind of shake them off. We have a really good outline of St. Nicholas. You can put more, you can put less. That's the cool thing about crafting. You can do whatever you want to do. If you want to get super fancy, we can put his staff on there with just a, this is a pipe cleaner, gold pipe cleaner. I got all of this stuff from the dollar store. So again, super easy, super fast, super fun. You take your glue, and this is all stuff kids can do. There's no hot glue, there's nothing that would hurt them. Just make sure they don't eat the glue, because that wouldn't be okay. And then you're gonna take a piece of ribbon, doesn't matter what color. Again, I chose gold. Cut it off, make a little loop, and you're gonna glue it to the back like I did, and there you have it. You have something that your kids made with you that you can keep forever, and then when they have their own tree, they can put it on there and learn a little bit more about St. Nicholas. Here's the fun part. Stuffing shoes. I didn't know about this until I started to do a little research, but in Europe, mostly in like Scandinavia, Germany, St. Nicholas is called Sinterklaas. And they put their shoes outside the night before the feast day, usually December 5th, that makes sense. And they leave them out and good stuff gets put in there, like chocolates, little trinkets, candy canes, stuffed toys, and most importantly, oranges. Apparently, oranges were hard to get back in the day, and it was a delicacy, if you will. It was a special treat to get an orange. And that's the fun part. You don't have to have wooden shoes. I'm just extra and had wooden shoes, but some people leave out their kids' regular shoes and stuff them with some goodies just to celebrate the feast day of this saint who did so much and gave back to the poor. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. See you next week.